This Smart Standard sliding barn door kit combines a solid spruce wood door with a smooth rolling hardware system that feels sturdy and reliable in daily use. The unfinished natural wood arrives ready for sanding, staining, or painting, which makes it easy to match existing trim or create a custom statement piece. Pre-drilled panels, labeled parts, and a clear instruction booklet make the assembly and installation process approachable even for a first-time do-it-yourself project. Once installed, the door glides quietly along the track and saves valuable floor space compared with a traditional swinging door, which is ideal for tight hallways or small rooms. The included handle, latch, floor guides, and full-length track mean you receive a complete package without needing to hunt for extra compatible components. Overall, this kit offers a good balance of craftsmanship, flexibility for customization, and practical functionality for interior and storage door openings.